A famous pop star insured her legs for $1 billion. 1. Nicolas Cage once bought a real dinosaur skull, but had to return it when he found out it was stolen. 2. Elvis Presley was a natural blonde he dyed his hair jet black to create his iconic look. 3. Keanu Reeves secretly donates millions he's given away most of his Matrix earnings to crew members and hospitals. 4. A billionaire once paid dollar for million just to have lunch with Warren Buffett. 5. Michael Jackson owned the rights to most of the Beatles songs, including those by Paul McCartney himself. Subscribe the channel for more content.